Hi there, so welcome to Market Research Universe, and you are watching MRU Navigator with me, Mirdul. This is one of the kind of platform that I am telling you. This is actually designed for startups also, and we are coming up with more than 500 startup ideas here in this platform. So all the aspiring founders, entrepreneurs, this is a platform. We have a platform like MRU Navigator for business planning, startup ideas and business planning. So at this point, I wanted to mention that this particular video that I am making now, this is actually powered by our recent published report, which is you wanna see this inside this video. So this is one of our business model or ideas that is presently it is very trending, and over the time going to be in future time going to be very going to be a very in demanding. Okay, so that's how this platform is going to help you to understand that what is the what are the businesses which is in trend, and then that business is not only in trend but also profitable, that how you can get started and get your profit. So this is how we help you to start your business, not only start but also scale your business. So I want you to watch this particular video, business plan guide, and then after this full report, we will come up with give you a particular solution or our platform, how our platform can help you to start this business, and as well as the services that we provide to scale this business. So I want you to watch this video, and in the end I will come up with the solution and services.
India is moving rapidly toward a solar-powered future. From rooftops of homes to large factories and commercial buildings, solar panels are becoming the new source of electricity. But here's the real opportunity entrepreneurs should see. Every home and every business that wants solar needs a professional team to design, install, and maintain the system. And that's where the real business lies. Instead of generating electricity yourself, you can build a profitable service business by installing solar systems for others. India is targeting 500 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030, and rooftop solar is one of the fastest growing segments. And millions of rooftops are waiting to be converted into power plants. And every installation represents income for solar service providers. The companies installing solar today won't just earn service fees, they'll build long-term, high-growth clean energy businesses. Demand is exploding, and skilled solar installation companies are in short supply. This gap is creating a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs to enter early, capture the market, and build a high-growth, future-proof business. Here's what we'll cover. Target customers for your solar installation business. Market research and growth potential from 2025 to 2035. Marketing and sales strategy to get clients. Investment required and profit margins. Funding and investment options. Company registration and legal requirements. Documents required. And how Market Research Universe can help you build and scale this business. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The solar panel installation service business serves a massive and growing customer base. Residential homeowners installing rooftop solar to reduce electricity bills. Commercial buildings like malls, offices and hotels. Factories and industries looking to cut energy costs. Schools, hospitals and institutions. Builders and real estate developers. Government and public sector projects. With electricity prices rising every year, more customers are shifting to solar, which means continuous demand for installation services. Market research and analysis. India's solar installation service sector is, growing at an incredible pace. India's solar installation service market size is expected to reach $3.2 billion in 2025, and, it is projected to grow to $9.8 billion by 2035. At strong 11.8% compound annual growth rate. India is, honestly, among the top solar markets globally, driven by strong government support and rising electricity costs. Some of the key growth drivers include government rooftop solar subsidy schemes, rising electricity tariffs, net metering benefits, corporate demand for clean energy, and the rapid expansion of residential rooftop solar. Companies like Tata Power Solar, Adani Solar, and Wari Energies are active in the market, but actually, most installations are handled by small local installers, which means there's a huge opportunity for new entrepreneurs in this space. Marketing and sales strategy. Success in this business really depends on trust and having a strong local presence. For your branding strategy, it's important to position yourself as a professional solar expert, highlight government subsidy support, and, of course, promote cost savings and return on investment. When it comes to sales channels, you should consider direct residential sales, partnerships with builders and contractors, commercial and industrial clients, and government solar projects. For promotional methods, digital marketing and social media, local advertising, referral programs, and participating in solar expos can all make a big difference. In this business, a strong reputation, honestly, brings continuous projects. Financial planning and profit margins. Okay, so let's talk about investment and profits. The initial investment required is between 10 lakh to 25 lakh rupees. Your main expenses will include office setup, Rs25 lakhs, tools and equipment, Rs37 lakhs, initial working capital, Rs5 10 lakhs, branding and marketing, Rs35 lakhs. Now, for profit margins, residential project profit can range from 20,000 to 80,000 rupees per installation, while commercial projects can bring in anywhere between 2 lakh and 10 lakh rupees. The net profit margin typically falls between 15% to 30%. Most businesses reach their break-even point in about 12 to 24 months. And with consistent projects, this business has the potential to generate monthly profits of 2 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, or even more. Funding and investment options. There are, multiple funding options available for starting a solar installation business. Bootstrapping is ideal for small startups. Government schemes like the Rooftop Solar Subsidy Scheme, Startup India Support, and MSME business loans are definitely worth considering. For external funding, you can look at bank loans, private investors, and clean energy funds. Since solar is a priority sector, funding availability is actually quite strong. Company incorporation and legal setup. To start legally, you need proper registration. The recommended structure is a private limited company, especially if you're looking for scalability. The required registrations include company registration, GST registration, MSME registration, an electrical contractor license, solar installer approval, and net metering approval. Supporting documents required. You'll need ID and address proof, company registration documents, office address proof, bank account, business plan, technical team details. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a solar installation business really does require proper planning and strategy. That's where Market Research Universe can help you out. MRU provides our services. Real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now, time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. See, your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mirdul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is an India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that. on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.